What if you could come home from work, open Claude AI, and leave that same evening with a real digital product idea you could actually build? Not five businesses, not five complicated products, just one simple idea that uses something you already know. That's what this video is about. I'm going to walk you through 5 types of digital products Claude AI can help you create, even if you work full time, you're tired after work, and you don't consider yourself tech savvy. Quick transparency before we get started. This is my digital twin. I use my HeyGen avatar because I'm building my business while working full time. And some weeks, I simply don't have the time or energy to film another full video. The strategy is mine. The examples are mine. The business is mine. AI is simply helping me keep showing up while I build. And honestly, that is how I look at Claude too. Claude is not going to build an entire profitable business for you while you sit back and do nothing. But it can help you organize your ideas, get past the blank page, create a first draft, and move much faster than you would by yourself. That matters when you only have an hour or two after work. Let's talk about 5 product types you could actually build. First, a physical product, something you can make or design and deliver. Second, a digital product, an ebook, a course, a template, or a downloadable guide. Third, a service-based product, consulting, coaching, or a one-on-one offer. Fourth, a subscription product, something your audience can subscribe to, like a membership or a newsletter. Fifth, an affiliate product, a product or service you promote and earn a commission on. Which one is the right fit for you? You only need to choose one product you can finish. That's all that matters right now. The 5 product types we're going to cover are prompt packs, swipe files and templates, checklists and short guides, spreadsheets and calculators, and simple interactive tools or assessments. You don't need to create all 5. The goal is to find the one that matches your knowledge, your energy, and the time you have available right now. Because the biggest mistake I see beginners make is choosing the most complicated idea instead of choosing the idea they can actually finish. Let's start with the easiest options. The first digital product you can create with Claude AI is a prompt pack. A prompt pack is simply a collection of instructions someone can copy and paste into an AI tool to help them get a specific result. For example, let's say you have worked in customer service for 10 years. You probably know how to calm down an upset customer, respond to complaints, explain policies, and communicate professionally. You could create a prompt pack that helps small business owners write customer service responses. You might include prompts for responding to a refund request, following up with a customer, explaining a late order, answering a negative review, or handling someone who keeps asking the same question. You already understand the problem. Claude helps you organize that knowledge into clear, reusable prompts. Another example could be a job search prompt pack for women who want to move into a better role. You could include prompts for rewriting a resume, preparing for an interview, identifying transferable skills, and writing follow-up emails. The value is not that the customer cannot type something into Claude herself. The value is that you already organized the process for her. You saved her time, you removed confusion, and you gave her a clear place to begin. The second product is a swipe file or template collection. A swipe file is a collection of ready-to-use examples. This could include email templates, social media captions, sales messages, client follow-ups, product descriptions, or direct message scripts. For example, a woman who has experience planning events could create a swipe file containing client inquiry responses, payment reminders, vendor emails, and event follow-up messages. A woman who has managed teams could create templates for giving feedback, setting boundaries, or communicating expectations. You don't need to be a world-famous expert. You need to understand a problem well enough to help someone complete a task faster. Claude can help you take your rough examples and turn them into a cleaner collection. But this is important. Don't let Claude invent your entire product from nothing. Add your own examples. Add phrases you actually use. Add situations you have really experienced. That's what makes the product sound useful instead of generic. My honest opinion is that prompt packs and swipe files are two of the best starting points for someone working full time because they are simple, low cost, and don't require complicated technology. You can create them in Google Docs, Canva, or even a basic PDF. The third product is a checklist or short guide. Notice that I said short guide. You don't have to create a 100-page ebook. In fact, a short product that helps someone complete one specific task may be more useful than a long product filled with information they never use. For example, a checklist for launching a first digital product, a guide for preparing for a virtual job interview, a checklist for setting up a new client, a guide for organizing business expenses, or a weekend plan for turning one skill into a simple offer. Claude can help you outline the steps, put them in the correct order, and make the language easier to understand. But you still need to review everything. You need to remove anything that does not make sense. You need to add your own experience. And you need to make sure the final product actually solves the problem promised in the title. Are you a service provider or small business owner losing leads because everything is still manual? People ask questions. They fill out random forms. They message you in different places. Then somehow, the serious leads slip through the cracks. That is where Digital Support Studio comes in. I help service providers and small business owners build simple AI-powered systems that capture leads, organize client information, improve intake, and reduce the repetitive work that keeps you stuck in your inbox. This is not about adding more complicated software to your business. It is about creating a smoother process so your leads know what to do next, your clients have a better experience, and you are not answering the same questions over and over again. Whether you need a simple lead capture tool, a client intake system, an assessment form, or a more customized AI workflow, I can help you build a system that actually supports your business. Because you cannot grow from chaos. You grow with systems. Click below to learn more about Digital Support Studio AI systems and see which build is right for your business. The fourth product is a spreadsheet, tracker, or calculator. This may sound more technical, but it doesn't have to be. You could create a monthly budget tracker, a digital product income calculator, a client follow-up tracker, a content planner, a savings goal calculator, or a simple pricing worksheet. Claude can help you decide which categories to include and suggest the formulas you may need. For example, you could ask Claude, what formulas would I need in a spreadsheet that calculates how many $7 products I need to sell to reach a monthly income goal? Claude can explain the calculation and help you structure the spreadsheet. You should still test every formula before selling it. Never assume that something works just because AI created it. This type of product is useful because people like tools that give them a clear answer. A guide teaches someone what to do. A calculator helps someone see her personal numbers. That can make the product feel more interactive and specific. The fifth product is a simple app, dashboard, quiz, or assessment. This is the most advanced option on the list, but it's becoming more accessible because of no-code tools. You can use Claude to help you plan the questions, organize the logic, and create instructions for the tool. Then, you can use a no-code app builder to bring the idea to life. That is similar to what I did with my AI Income Pathfinder. It asks questions and helps someone identify an income direction based on her skills, interests, and situation. You don't have to start here. I would only recommend an interactive tool after you understand the problem clearly. Start with the problem, then choose the simplest format that solves it. Let me show you how simple the idea stage can be. Inside Claude, you could type, I have 10 years of customer service experience. Give me 5 beginner-friendly digital product ideas I could create after work. Each idea should solve one specific problem, use skills I already have, and take no more than one weekend to create. Claude may suggest ideas like a difficult customer response template pack, a customer service interview preparation guide, a complaint handling prompt pack, a new hire training checklist, or a client communication swipe file. The important part is not accepting every suggestion. Your job is to look at the list and ask, which problem do I understand best? Which product could I finish? Which one would be useful to a real person? And which one would I feel comfortable explaining? Not the perfect version, not the deluxe version. Here is a simple action plan you can use tonight. Step 1. Write down 3 things people regularly ask you for help with. Maybe people ask you for help with resumes. Maybe they ask you about budgeting. Maybe they ask you how to organize a business. Maybe they ask you how to use a particular tool. Step 2. Choose one small problem from that list. Do not choose an entire subject. Help people manage money is too broad. A weekly bill payment checklist is specific. Help people start a business is too broad. A first client intake checklist is specific. Step 3. Ask Claude which format fits the problem. You can type, would this idea work best as a checklist, template pack, prompt pack, spreadsheet, or interactive assessment? Explain why. Step 4. Create the smallest useful version. Not the perfect version. Not the deluxe version. The smallest version that helps someone take action. Step 5. Review it like a real customer. Is it clear? Does it save time? Does it solve the problem? Is anything missing? Would you personally use it? This is where your judgment matters. Claude can produce words very quickly. That doesn't automatically make those words worth paying for. Your experience, examples, and process are what make the product different. AI should help organize your knowledge. It shouldn't pretend to replace knowledge you don't have. Let's quickly recap. Claude AI can help you create a prompt pack, a swipe file or template collection, a checklist or short guide, a spreadsheet or calculator, or a simple interactive tool. But please don't leave this video thinking you have to create all 5. Choose one. The best beginner product is usually the one that solves a small problem you already understand. For most women working full-time, I would start with a prompt pack, swipe file, or checklist. Those options are faster to create, easier to test, and less technically complicated. Then once you have created something simple, you can improve it based on what people actually need. You may still be wondering what type of income idea fits your own skills and experience. That's why I created the AI Income Pathfinder. It helps you look at what you know, the amount of time you have, and the kind of income you want to build. You can find the link in the description below. Your next step is simple. Open the AI Income Pathfinder and identify one income direction that makes sense for you. Do not try to plan an entire business tonight. Choose one direction and take one step. And if you are building income while working full-time, subscribe to the channel. I share how I am using AI, digital products, my digital twin, and simple business systems to build a business while I am still working my job. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.